Hello, welcome back to Penang Family Channel. Thank you so much for all the supports. Thank you so much for watching. Okay friends, today I'm going to show how to make Badam Burfi. It's because
of Teachers Day.
Devanchi school, they're having Teachers Day celebration. So I'm going to show how to make the Badam Burfi now. And also we would like to wish all the wonderful teachers in the world.
Happy Teachers Day to all the wonderful teachers out there.
Happy Teachers Day to all the wonderful teachers there. Okay friends, these are the ingredients that we need.
Okay, sugar, you need sugar. I put 1.5 cup. And almond, you have to blend this. I'll show you in a while. And then half of this evaporated creamer. And then half of 250 means 125 gram of butter. And powdered milk, we need 3 cups. And this is cardamom powder. What else? Butter, powdered milk, sugar, milk, evaporated milk, milk powder, solid. Okay, and then friends, make sure you have this non-stick. It is better to use a non-stick pan for this. Okay, now I'm going to show how to make. So you need this dryer blender here. Okay, we're going to blend this into a powder. So you don't have to roast this almond, you just have to blend. See, I'm just going to blend. I'll show you. So this is the badam that I blended into fine powder. So this texture should be enough. Okay, come, let's start. Show you how to make the badam burfi. Friends, I forgot to say just now, you need something like this. Before you start doing your burfi, you prepare your tray with coated with butter. Because when we already finished making the burfi, quickly we have to put inside and press it. Okay friends, already roast this for about 5 minutes. Okay, now I'm going to add the measurement. Actually it's for 3 cups blended powdered almond, you need 2 cups, but I'm going to lessen the sugar because I don't want it to be so sweet. So I'm going to add about less than 1 cup here. Okay, then give it a stir for about 5 minutes until all the sugar dissolves. Make sure the fire is very low. What I'm showing here is a real time, friends. So this is exactly how you have to turn. Pause பண்ணுங்க. So it took about 5 minutes lah actually. Okay, now I'm going to add half of this tin of evaporated milk. Okay, keep stirring for about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, add about 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. We like it more because it's an Indian sweet, nice smell. Okay, now I'm going to add about 3 cups of powdered milk powder. So friends, keep stirring until you get this texture, and in a while the butter will start coming out. Okay, now friends, you can see it's ready. The texture is to be like this, and you can see, I don't know if you can see from the see, it's shiny, the butter. So it's ready. So immediately you have to put it in the square pan and press it. So our badam burfi is ready. Slowly.
Badam Burfi is ready.
What is it again?
Badam Burfi is ready.
For your school, huh?
Yes.
Okay. Friends, this is badam burfi. It's hot. Let it cool down, then keep it in the fridge, and then we can slice it, and then you can keep it in the fridge for even 1 month. So
Thank you for watching to our channel. Please like and subscribe and share to our channel. Bye.